Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to remove the background from video and add green screen using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. I have imported a video, and add video to the timeline. Go to AI Tools. Enable Smart Cutout and click on Start Smart Cutout. Select the smart brush and drag it over the person. Go to the zoom option and check whether the person is completely masked or not. If any part is not covered, then use the smart brush again on the uncovered area. You can also use the eraser to remove additional selected areas. After completing your masking, select Zoom to fit. Click on the Start Smart Cutout. After finishing the process, click on the Save button. Go to the stock media, and add a green color solid. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.